Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. This question is a person Edexcel mechanics year of 2022. Question number 4. This question is about the mechanics and a uniform group AB. This one. Mass with mass M. This is M. And length 2A. This 2A. A particle of mass 2m is attracted on the root at the point C. This it means that this point have a mass of 2 mg. G is taken for 9.8, and then the where AC is equal to 1.5. This is 1.5a, this is 0.5a. The root we set with its end a, this a, with a rough horizontal ground. It means it has friction, and the rope is held in equilibrium at an angle theta to the ground by a light string that is attracted to the end at B of the root. The string is perpendicular to the root and as shown in the figure here, and explain why the frictional force acting on the root A at horizontal to right. To right means to this direction, the force. Okay, now we have to decompose the force separately. First, if there is a tension here, then this tension can be decomposed into two directions. One is this direction, the other is this direction. Because it is in equilibrium state, this is theta. Therefore, this direction should be has the force of t cosine theta, and this is t sine theta. And this horizontal force is to the left. Therefore, the frictional force must, because there is no other force included in this system. Therefore, this frictional force must be acting on the right. Therefore, for the part A, we can answer like that. Has T's horizontal component is acting on the left, this direction, which is equal to t sine theta. And this is only horizontal force to the left. Therefore, thus the horizontal force or friction must be on the right, must be horizontally on the right. Okay, this is part A. And now for part B, let the tension of the string be T, and then actually I use this to explain part A is a good technique of answer a question. Okay, then for part B, so T is equal to 2 mg cosine theta, and here I have to decompose the force into several parts, and because we suppose the root is here is the root is let me see the root that the root is m, and we suppose that it is acting the force is on the middle. Then the vertical force should be mg, and this the particle c on c point c is also vertically 2mg. Therefore, we have decomposed these two force into two directions. One direction is opposite about the tension, so we can calculate the total force in equilibrium state, and this can be decomposed, this one and this one, and this is theta. This force should be mg cosine theta. This is mg sine theta, and this also 2mg cosine theta. And this force and this force and this force in equilibrium state about the pivot point. Therefore, we have to calculate the distance. Therefore, for part B, we should have this times 1a mg cosine theta times a plus 2mg cosine theta times 1.5a is equal to this force times the total length 2at. Then we here can set a equation which connected the theta and also the mass of the particle and the mass of the root, and therefore cancel the a here, and this is 4mg cosine theta equal to 2t. That means t is equal to 2mg cosine theta. This is the answer of part B. And for next part, given cosine theta equal to 3 over 3, it means sine theta equal to 4 over 5, and tangent theta is 4 over 3. I calculate in the for my sake of convenience. Okay, so the magnitude of the vertical force extracted by the ground on the rib is equal on A is equal to this one. And what is the meaning of this? And actually, this is the horizontal force X. The force is here. This mention is vertically force means this one. Therefore, I let X be the force. A vertical. I emphasize the vertical force exert by the ground. And then it means that the upper force must be, this force must be equal to this force plus this force must be equal to this force and this force. The sum of this is totally equal. Otherwise, this cannot be in equilibrium state. Okay, that means X plus, okay, let me solve. X plus this force, T cosine theta, is equal the force downward, mg and 2mg. In equilibrium state they have this case, and then put the t in part B. T is 2, let me see, this t 2mg cosine theta times cosine theta, that means cosine square theta. This is 3mg. And then move the terms x equal to 3mg minus 2mg cosine square theta. Here cosine theta is equal to 3 over 5. That means here 3 over 5 square. And doing this by calculator, okay, I think make a common denominator is better. So I show the step here. The denominator is 25 and the numerator for this version is 75 mg minus the denominator is 25 and the numerator is 9 times 2 is 18 mg minus is equal to 57 mg over 25. Okay, this is same as the answer. Wow, so fantastic. Okay, for part D. Part D, the coefficient of friction between the root and the ground is mu. Please be careful. That means the force should be equal to mu times the normal force. Actually, this is a normal force. Vertical force means normal force. Okay, frictional force is equal to, and then as the frictional force is this one, and that must be same. This is frictional force. This is the force acting on the left. Yes, left. I'm very confusing about left and right. Okay, and it means t sine theta. Okay, I make a wording here. Frictional force must be equal to mu times normal force. Okay, frictional force here is equal to t sine theta, and the normal force is equal. The normal force is equal to 57 mg over 25. Then times mu means the frictional force, and put the terms t equal to 2 mg cosine theta, sine theta, and mu 57 mg 25, and put the terms here. Mg is cancelled, and 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. I cosine theta and sine theta I calculate here, and mu here, and 57 over 25, mu equal to x over 19. Oh, same as the answer. What the hell? Yes, so lucky I calculate. I finally do the correct of the answer. Okay, guys, hope that you can enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. I'm Dr. K.Liu Math. This is Dr. K.Liu Math channel. Okay, bye bye.